Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have completed this modeling of this interior over here, so let's start with the texturing part. So before we start up with the texturing part, let's go into render setup, and let's set up this as a V-Ray over here. After you're done with it, let's start first with the floor texture over here. So select this plane. Let's go into material. Let's go into mode and make it as a slate material editor. Let's take a V-Ray material over here. So take a V-Ray material and let's name it as floor over here. We'll increase the subdivisions further on, not now. Let's go into diffuse, bitmap. Let's go into this interior new. Let's take some texture for the floor over here. So we have downloaded few textures for it. So let's take this texture over here. So once you have assigned this texture over here, now I'll go into this and I'll increase the texture. I'll go into it and I'll increase a bit of reflectiveness over here. So once you have assigned this reflectiveness, we need a bit of reflection on the floor. We can just increase its reflection, not much, a bit over here. That's it. Alright. So second texture will be giving it to this carpet over here. Let's again go into this. Let's take again a V-Ray material and let's name it as carpet over here. So let's go into diffuse bitmap and let's assign this carpet texture over here. So once you have assigned this carpet texture, you can just click it out. So I can just go into this, and if you want I can just place a UVW map over here. So convert to editable poly now. So we'll keep on assigning the textures. Now let's go to the wall. Before we start up with the wall, let's take a polygon. Select all these polygons for the wall over here. Let's go into material. We'll try one texture over here for the wall. So if I go into this bitmap, I have downloaded one texture that's for the wall. You can just try this. Let's see how it looks like. So I can go into this and I can make it as a UVW map over here. That's for the fitting the texture at the right place. So if you don't need this, I can just go into this again, into the material over here and increase its tiling part over here. I can just increase the tiling over here. We'll check it out further on. So select this, Control I. So I need to convert to editable poly. Let's go into this polygons. Control I. Let's save the file first. So you can give one texture on the top. Let's go into this and let's give one texture to it. just assign this texture on top of it. So once you're done, let's go back again to the camera view over here. So that's your camera view. Now select the bottom part of the wall, like select the whole wall, Control I, that's for the inverse. Again go into this material and let's take again a V-Ray material over here and let's give a white color to it. So do assign these colors over here. So definitely I have assigned a bit of a yellowish color on the top and white color at the bottom over here. Now let's assign the texture to this books over here. So how we are going to assign this texture over here? So press 4 over here. Let's again go into this material, bitmap. Let's assign this texture over here. So let's go into this UVW map, set it, perfect. So select this and let's give name it as book 1. Take one more material over here and let's just give a white color and name it as pages. On the other hand, same texture, assign the same texture, select this book, 4 over here again, material, let's take a V-Ray material again, bitmap, and let's give one more texture to it. So book 2, so press 4 over here, polygons, material, and assign this page over here, material, assign this again. So again press 4 over here, material, V-Ray material, and let's go into this bitmap. Let's check out. So we have one more texture over here. So we'll just assign this. So just assign this texture, select this, press 4, material, and just assign this white color to it. Select this material and assign this. So for the top part also we need to assign this white color. So for this, for the top part, assign this color. For this, for the top part, again assign this. That's it. Alright. So save your file again over here. So what I'll do over here is like I'll just push this a bit out over here. I'll select this, duplicate this stuff. I'll make a copy of it. I'll just push it up. So this also material, assign the texture, select this book, shift and drag, duplicate it and just push this up and rotate it. So select this material and just assign this same texture over here, and the last book, just duplicate it over here and let's rotate it, and again just push this up. So I can just rotate this over here, press 4 and just give a white color. That's it. So select this 3 books over here and just duplicate this stuff. So let's check out how many books. So we can just delete this, we don't need this, so we can keep this as it is, which is required, and rotate it. So just push this up a bit over here, assign in the right manner, and let's go back to the camera view and save the files. So now we are going to just put some textures for this frame over here. So select this frame, let's go into material, bitmap, and let's give one texture to the frame over here, UVW map, and just fit it, convert to poly, Control I inverse, and let's give this name as frame 1, frame color, can just assign a color to the frame, so we can just assign a bit of a darker color, So just assign a color to the frame over here. Now, same thing, we are going to select this. So we'll just go into this, select this polygon, UVW map, and just increase its width and height over here. That's it. Better. So looks much better. Now again select this. Let's go into this polygons over here, and let's take one more video material. That's for your second frame. So frame 2 texture, we have downloaded the texture. So you can take this. So you can just take this texture for this. That's your Indian music. So convert to poly. Control I inverse material, and let's again give a frame texture to it. Let's go back to the camera view over here, and let's save the file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.